And have you ever wondered what the future of electric cars looks like? This question has been on many minds lately as the automotive industry shifts gears towards more eco-friendly options. The buzz is real, and it's electric. One notable example is the recent unveiling of Mazda's EZ-6 at the Beijing Motor Show. An electrified sedan with safety and convenience technologies, it's a glimpse into a future that's not as far off as you might think. What if we told you that the future is already here and it's called the Mazda EZ-6? Changan Mazda has officially unveiled the EZ-6, an electrified sedan that is set to revolutionize the electric car market. This cutting-edge vehicle brings together the best of both worlds, offering two powertrain types, battery electric and plug-in hybrid. Either choice promises a smooth, eco-friendly ride that doesn't compromise on power or performance. But the innovation doesn't stop there. The Mazda EZ-6 is equipped with advanced safety and convenience technologies designed to make your drive easier and safer. It features comprehensive accident mitigation systems and an intelligent parking system that responds to voice commands even when you're outside the car. With such features, the EZ-6 isn't just a car, it's a glimpse into the future of sustainable transportation. But Mazda isn't stopping at the EZ-6. The Japanese automaker is already shifting gears to its next big reveal, the Mazda Arata concept. This sleek, futuristic SUV is a precursor to the EZ-60, a battery-electric SUV that's set to hit the market by the end of 2025. With its commitment to electrification and innovation, Mazda is truly driving us into the future. With the Mazda EZ-6 and the upcoming EZ-60, the future of electric cars is not only bright, it's electrifying. The future is electric and Mazda is leading the charge. This video unveiled the Mazda EZ-6, a game-changing electrified sedan with advanced features. With more electrified models on the horizon, Mazda is revolutionizing sustainable transportation. So, as we look to the horizon, we can see that the future of electric cars is already here, and it's more exciting than we could have ever imagined.